So the scramble is on at grocery stores, mobbed with shoppers grabbing any supplies they might need ahead of the storm. Naomi Ruchim is live in the Flatiron District for us here tonight. Naomi, a lot of shoppers feel like today is their last chance for a little bit to get what they need.
Right, Alan, and you folks were just talking about the timing and how important that is. It's the same thing out here with folks stocking up because we've been out here much of the afternoon, and just a few hours ago there was still plenty of produce, groceries, things to be taken home. But I was just inside of this Trader Joe's here in Flatiron, and the shelves are pretty much empty. There's very little bread, no eggs. Most of the produce, again, completely gone. We've spoken with a lot of shoppers who were basically the last of the folks to be able to get what they needed out here today. The lines have been long, but moving quickly. Shoppers telling us they're trying to get everything they need and make do with maybe frozen goods, but a lot of the canned goods are also gone as well. In a message to New Yorkers earlier today, Mayor Mamdani asked the public to stay home and hunker down so that more than 2,000 sanitation workers could get to salting and plowing as soon as the snow starts. And it seems folks are taking that request to heart, but getting everything they need tonight.
No chips. Everyone is gonna snack this weekend, it seems like, but I won't be because there was nothing for me to get. So I will be living off of cookies and like frozen meals, I think.
I think it went overall well. There are some things missing, but I think it looks much better than yesterday.
On Sunday and Monday, a hazardous travel advisory will be in effect. Please, if you can avoid it, do not drive, do not travel, do not do anything that could potentially place you or your loved ones in danger.
You also have to think about all the small business owners who are out here who definitely do not want to close their doors tomorrow. We did speak with a few of them who tell us that they're going to try to stay open as best they can, but of course they're keeping the safety of their employees and customers top of mind. Mayor Mamdani has said the same thing about the potential of a school closure on Monday. They will make that decision by noon tomorrow. A lot of parents waiting on that one, Alan. But again, the timing here so crucial. Hopefully you have some chips because none to be had here.
There you go, Naomi. Yeah, safety is first and timing is crucial. Couldn't have said it better myself. Naomi Ruchim, live in the Flatiron District for us. Thank you.